Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So if you're new to my channel, you're highly welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much. I appreciate you all. So in today's video I'm going to show you guys how I got this eyebrow look. So this is an updated eyebrow tutorial. I think I've done eyebrow tutorials in the past here on my channel, and the first one was an in-depth eyebrow tutorial which I did few months ago, and the second one was 5 minutes eyebrow challenge which I was tagged. So and and I thought, why not do an eyebrow tutorial, like updated one, to show you guys how I will do my my go-to eyebrow tutorial. Not if you're in a rush, no, if I am in a rush, no, I can't get it this way. Yeah, this is it. So if you want to know how I achieve it, please keep on watching. And just a quick reminder, if you are watching and you have not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel and tap on that bell. In that way you get notified each time I upload a new video. If you want to see how I achieved this, perfect eyebrow tutorial, yeah, if you want to see how I achieve it, I hope you like it. And yeah, if you want to see how I achieve it, please keep on watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Stay blessed, stay beautiful, and I love you all. Peace. Before I start, I'm just going to show you guys all the brushes I'm going to be using today. First, I'll be using this one doesn't have any name. This is a angle brush, so I'm going to be using this one to fill my brows. And this is an angle brush as well. I'll be using this one to clean up my brows. I'll be using this one as well. This one is from Sigma and is E17. I'll be using my spoolie. I'll be using this one as well, just to clean up any excess. And I'll be using this high pencil. I will be using this from NYS, this concealer. I'll be using this one or this one. You can use this. This is LA Girl Pro Concealer. You can use this if you want, but I'll see the one I'll use from this one. The next thing I do is to use my Tiger Safety Razor blades to shape my brow a little bit. You can thread it if you want, but it's very easy for me to use this. And if you're using this, you need to be very careful. Keep them out of sight of children. So first thing you want to do is to get your brows like this.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day.
So now I've finished. So the next thing I do, I just make sure I get them straight. I'm just going to line with my pencil.
Life is happy but it's so insane.
You don't want to start here or here because you want it to be natural, so as natural as possible.
We'll never be alone, Savannah. The beauty of the world, Savannah. Let's all take a walk, Savannah.
Just going to use my Smashbox ultimate eyes, so I'm just going to use this and just dab in here a little bit. Just going to use it to fill this. The color I'm applying now is just dark brown. But you don't want to do too much. So after that, I'm just going to blend it as well. So after that, the next thing I'm going to do is to use my NYS concealer, correct and contour. So now I'm going to use a bit darker shade above my eyebrow. I don't mind this. So after that, I'm just going to use this. So this is E70 Sigma brush. This is medium angled brush. So I'm going to use it to clean up. So after this, I'm just going to use the very little bit darker one, just dab it a little bit, just to make it to be my skin tone. Don't want it to be too light. So here I'm just trying to get it down because I'm going to do my makeup, so it will allow it to pop up, and I don't need to use extra primer on my eyes when I'm doing my makeup. So after that, I'm just going to use this from Sleek, and it's in the color dark brown. Just going to use it just like mascara, but it's not. I'm just going to use it to get my eyebrows down, and once this dries, you cannot, the eyebrows can't go anywhere. I mean, they can't move. I'm just going to blend everything with it. I'll just go ahead and use this, my final product from City Color Bold Brow Eyebrow Gel. So I'm just going to use it the last but not the least. I'm just going to use it to. You don't have to use all this, but if you want to get like perfect brows, like that will last you for like 12 hours or even 24 hours, you need to follow this routine, and believe me, they are not going to move or go anywhere. So you can see I'm not applying their face because I want my eyebrows to look as natural as possible. So that is it. So to give it a perfect look, I'm just going to go in with my Revolution Vivid Baked Highlighter Golden Lights. So I'm just going to use just a bit of this, just to dab it a little bit to go under my brow bone, just to make my eyebrow pop up, to pop up a little bit. So that's my eyebrow routine. I don't really do this every day, but if I want a proper eyebrow routine, I have to do it like this. Yeah, so I hope you like it. Yeah, if you like it, please give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you have not, and I will see you again in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye.